are a little bit of a step up from the ones that we just did, but a lot of the stuff that we're doing is exactly the same. So we're doing two things in this expression here. So the first thing that we're doing is we're simplifying like we did in the previous video, and we're also going to use some of the maths from index law too. Okay, so with this expression here, remember here these numbers, okay, are my coefficients. I've said that a few times, but I do need you to learn those. So these are my coefficients, these ones here, U and U. And these ones here are obviously my pronumerals, and then we also have these ones here, which are, hello?
I was just checking if there was papers here.
Which
Yeah,
paper?
left one.
Huh?
One of the tests I've had.
I haven't seen any.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I thought you were actually teaching.
I'm filming the video.
Sorry.
That's okay. Okay, and these ones here are my bases, and then these ones here are my indices, okay? So, what we are going to do first in this, and remember as well that the question actually says, simplify each of the following, leaving your answers in index form. So what we're doing is simplifying, okay? Now, what we're going to do first, okay, and what we always do first, okay, is we're going to look at my coefficients first, so my numbers. And I'm going to, in order to simplify these, I have to think, well, what's the highest number that goes into 7 is also goes into 14? And the answer to that is obviously 7. Okay, so we've got 2 7s going to 14, okay, and then we have 1 7 that obviously goes into 7, okay? So on a new line, otherwise it will start looking a bit messy, it would write a bit smaller, so it's going to be 2B7, okay, over, well, 1B5, or you can just leave it as B5. Okay, so 2, like we said here, we've got 2B to the power of 7 divided by B5, and the reason why I got rid of 1 is obviously 1 times B to the power of 5 is B to the power of 5, so, you know, just leave it there. Okay, so now this, okay, if you remember, can also look like this now, where we're like, okay, well, 2B to the power of 7 divided by B to the power of 5, and remember with that index law, on the second line it would be 2B7 take 5, which is then obviously going to equal 2B2. But for this, you know, you don't necessarily have to always rearrange it so you've got the division symbol. This works perfectly fine too. So what we're going to do in this one, okay, is move this B5, okay, so instead of B7 divided by B5, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to move that and put that up there like that. So now my answer is going to be 2B, and 7 take 5 is obviously 2. So this expression simplified would be 2 times B to the power of 2. We'll do another one of those ones. Okay, so